tell me what's your niche, what do you do, and then what's your dilemma?
Yeah, so I am an NLP coach. I've learned it recently. I've started practicing one-on-one almost for 6 months. So
Okay.
the growth it's good, but little slow.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I felt that I sometimes, I do a very good call and sometimes it goes totally messed up.
When you
So
say
there has
call,
to
you're talking about a coaching session?
one-on-one,
One on
yes.
one. Okay. Okay.
So now so I want to scale up. Doing one-on-one is like, have to put a lot of efforts.
Hmm.
It's not just a 40 minutes call. We know we have to prepare, we have to deal, we have to design. And sometimes, like you said, we give 5 minutes. And then, so I've lost few customers that way also,
Mm.
that they booked four, but they vanished after two. But some who were good learners, they did all four sessions and got good results. So now I want to scale up and I want to go into webinar. But now I get this thing that maybe webinar is there for me or not, whether I'll be able to, get in. I like to teach. I mean, I'm a good orator. I don't have stage fears and all. But when so many people, I feel a lot of responsibility on me, like
Mm.
to help. Will I be able to?
Mm.
I mean, I don't think that, okay, if 10 people also get benefit, it's okay. For me, it's like if 40 people in front, I feel that I am responsible. I should be changing their life. So that baggage is always load myself with responsibility.
So you've been doing it for how long now? You said a year?
Almost a year, yes.
Almost a
In
year.
2 months, I'll complete 1 year.
You're still very new. And right now you are getting your clients all organically, is it?
No, I'm running ads also.
You're running ads. You're running ads, you're getting clients, but and why do you feel the need to do webinars? You want more?
Because uh, I would want to influence more people, want to touch as many lives as possible.
So your dilemma is not should I do one-on-one and or do a webinar? Your dilemma is should I do one-on-one or do group coaching? You
I
want
mean, I'm thinking, can I do both? I want to.
can I do
I'm
both or should I do
Yeah.
both? Right?
But if given a choice, I would like to go for webinars. But right now, I don't. I'm confused.
Who is not
Which is
giving you
more
the choice?
the money, man,
Money in
for
what way?
for running the ads. I have outsourced it, and those people are telling me we need a lot of money to
What
for
difference
the.
does it make if you're running ads for one-on-one versus running ads for webinar?
They have told me that we have to pay double.
Okay. Because you don't
That
have the control in your own hands. Okay. Once you learn how to do it, you will not have to be dependent on other people and they cannot tell you. Ideally, there is no difference between the two, isn't it? Whether you run ads and you're getting people and then you're leading them into one-on-one, which if that is the case, it has to be high ticket. It
right.
has to be high ticket because if your one-on-one is a low ticket item, then it's not possible to sustain because it's taking your
So,
personal time. Like I said, my one-on-one is my highest ticket. I have a low ticket, I have a high ticket. With my coaches, it's obviously high ticket because I am going to be working when extreme upskilling happens, right? But my one-on-one is even more high ticket than that because I don't have the time and I'm giving my time to somebody, isn't it? That is the reason this skill is so valuable because you can survive only on one-on-one. Okay. If you can see few clients, but charge high ticket. Does that make
right.
sense to you?
Yes.
Does that make sense? But if you're going to be one-on-one many clients, then it's not even a option. It's not even a question to ask that should I start doing group? Because can you do one-on-one for many? I mean, you will literally be only doing one-on-ones. And so there are two things over here. One is you said it's difficult. One-on-one gets difficult after a certain point. Using 40 minutes, my one-on-ones go on for 1.5 hours. Okay. Ideally, 40 minutes should be easy. Coaching should be easy for the coach, not difficult for the coach. By the end of the coaching process, you should not end up feeling drained down and tired. That happens when you face resistance. It's a sign that you're facing a lot of resistance, that you're not getting the results that you want, that things are not going the way you want. That is when you end up feeling drained. And that maybe you're not giving the result that you can be giving, then that responsibility, right? So one thing is you can do one-on-one, and one-on-one is definitely a great tool. but it needs to get easier. So once you get skilled there, it will become easy. So you can see more clients and it can get easier on you. So you can
Right.
continue, and because you can give such results, you can also charge high ticket. So
Right.
that means you optimize what you already have also. Okay. Because in coaching or wherever in any industry, actually, you need to have several pipelines. You cannot rely on only one. As a coach, you cannot have only one-on-one coaching and nothing else. You can't have an only online product and nothing else. Because what if that doesn't work? What if market changes? What if something happens? So you need to have a hybrid model. So it's not a dilemma, it's a necessity. Doing group coachings, whether you get clients through webinars or you get clients to any other funnel, you can create any funnel that is giving you clients for group coaching. And you said, if given an option, I will do it. But you need to ask yourself, does someone need to give you an option, or do you need to create that option for yourself?
I thought someone should give me.
How does that work?
Yes.
That option of webinar is
I need.
available, but you need to find out how, right? And you need
Right.
to figure out what's stopping you. Because whether you do webinar or not, that's not the question. It's it's that you should be able to train. It's a necessary skill. You should be able to influence in masses, because any coach who is not able to influence people in masses cannot be successful long term. Isn't it? Because that's how funnels work. You influence 100, 20 come into your system, another 10 of them will go to the next level. It's funnels work like that. It works in masses. So if you've got one person you're attracting, you're not going to be able to sustain long term. You can't create any system. So mass influence, it's not an option. It's a necessity for growth. Yes, if you want to stay small and you want to keep it that way and earn a little bit of money here and there, some people are like that. For them, it's okay. I'm just doing it for a hobby, Seema. I don't want to be all that big. Then it's okay. Then you can do what you're doing. But if you really want to earn, and I think you should, everybody
I have
should.
a lot of dreams.
I
Yeah.
think coaches should be successful, because if you are not successful, would you go to a coach who is not successful?
No.
You wouldn't. You would say, is she doing it or is he doing it? Are they able to make money? Are they doing so and so? And you would join, right? Same thing. Anybody coming to you will also think that, is she able to? So the more successful you become, the bigger you become, the more influence you have in your reels, in your ads, in your content, the more people see you, trust you. They start coming seamlessly into your system. Then it becomes effortless. It's just from here to there, you have to take that little journey of breaking free from within your inhibitions, because you still seem to have some inhibitions, right? And it may come one from, of course, lack of confidence, but I think mainly comes from lack of skill. Because confidence comes with skill.
Right.
You become skilled, confidence will automatically come. So which means that now what do you need to do?
I need to polish my skills well so that I increase the value of my one-on-ones. And I think once I do that, I will not be drained out myself, and I'll still have the energy to move on to webinars also. When I increase my high ticket, my income also increases, and that removes the blockage.
And when you're skilled, everything will be easier to do.
Yes.
It's like oiling your machine.
Yes, yes.
So is there any dilemma in your head now?
No, no, no. I'm clear. Thank you so much.
Amazing. I'm so happy that we could have this conversation. You are a very bright person, not just in the light on your face, but you're just a very bright person. I can see that you have the ability to learn. You are empathetic. You've changed yourself, your outlook to make a difference to people. Somebody like you deserves to become big, deserves to earn a lot of money. And I'm praying and I'm hoping that you achieve really, really great heights. You can. Okay. And lots of love to you. I'm glad we could have this conversation.